Askance, or as the Americans say, Askance. If you have a look at the transcription, you would find in the British version we have "a" in the second syllable, whereas in the American one we have "air" in the final syllable. Okay, it's an adverb. In general, you will find it in the phrase look askance. It means with a look of disapproval, doubt, or suspicion. Let's use it in a few sentences. The principal looked askance at the students. The religious guru looked askance at the atheist. It was a strange place. Everyone looked at me askance. My neighbors looked at the bikers askance as the motorbikes passed noisily by. People often look askance at him because of his clothes. What would be its synonyms? Doubtfully, cynically, mistrustfully, distrustfully, suspiciously. Okay? If you want the transcript of this video, you will find the link in the description. It will take you to my website, www.englishiseasywithrb.com. Until next time, this is RB signing off.